Well, this big snowstorm here in January of 2026 is beginning to wrap up. Here's a live look from our Springfield Tower camera looking southwest. That is the Cooper Sports Complex. Off in the distance, we've got downtown Springfield. A little tough to see. You can kind of see the fuzzy outline of some of the buildings right there. We've still got light to moderate snow falling in Springfield. Over in Joplin, or at least west of Joplin, the snow has pretty much come to an end. A pretty scene there at downstream. This is a pretty scene as well. Over Table Rock Lake, down near Ridgeline, where you can see the snowflakes, and they've gotten a little fluffy with this last wave that's coming through. Those fluffy snowflakes flying there over Table Rock Lake. And the reason why we're finding the heavier snow there is that's where we still have a pretty good band of snow right here extending from northwest Arkansas into southwest Missouri. It actually extends up toward Phelps and Dent County. Notice I-44. This is sort of the northern edge of the light snow. Once you get up towards Stockton, Clinton, Warsaw, it looks like the snow has come to an end for the most part. Looks like it's come to an end for the most part in Joplin as well. And that's what we're going to find this afternoon, or at least going into this afternoon. This last wave of snow exiting the area. And looking at our hour-by-hour forecast, you can see how fast it will exit the area. It still looks like light snow in areas along and east of Highway 65 through noon. And then after that, it's gone. Looks like by 2 o'clock, it's just cloudy skies, maybe a few lingering flurries. A lot of times, once you get the snow going, it's sometimes hard to completely shut it off, so we could have some afternoon flurries. Looks like clouds will hold, at least in most areas along and south of I-44 through the afternoon. And then overnight tonight, we're going to watch for those clouds to try to thin out. What that's going to do with deep snow cover and light winds to set the stage for a very cold Monday morning, a below zero cold Monday morning. Snowfall totals for this entire event, and we're accounting for what we've already had, what we might get, and the reports that have come in. It looks like a general 4 to 7 inches is going to be the final snowfall total for areas up towards Stockton and Camdenton. The rest of the area, southern Missouri and northern Arkansas, generally between 6 and 10 inches of snowfall. I have seen a couple of reports of 10-inch snowfall totals, but generally it's been in the 6 to 8 inch range. I can't say that there isn't maybe an isolated report here or there of 11 inches, but I think that would be the high water mark. Temperatures are still in the single digits. In many spots, we've been in the single digits since Friday evening or late Friday evening. Very cold out there, and it looks like it's going to stay that way. We've got wind chills also in the -5 to -15 degree range. That's not going to change throughout the day today. It looks like afternoon highs, low to mid-teens across the area, -5 to -10 tomorrow morning, and then highs in the mid to upper teens across the area, maybe low 20s in northern Arkansas. Single-digit lows is going to be very common throughout the course of this work week because of the mostly clear skies and that snow on the ground. Afternoon temperatures will top out near freezing on Tuesday, maybe a little above on Wednesday, but more Arctic air is likely going to keep that snow in place into the upcoming weekend. That's the very latest for now. We've got one more cut in at 11 o'clock. We'll see you then.